Hi, boys and girls. It's so good to see you this morning. I just wanted to go over our week 6 distance learning plan. Um, First of all, one of the things that's new this week is you're going to have a schedule for your classroom meets and check ins. So I'd like to share that schedule with you. Okay, so starting this week, on Mondays at 9 o'clock, you'll be meeting with your homeroom. It should be a relatively quick check in. On Monday at 10 o'clock, you'll be meeting with your period 1. And what you notice is there's a gap for about half an hour right here. On Tuesday, I'll be meeting with my period 2 class at 9 o'clock. And you'll be meeting with your period 3 teacher at 10 o'clock on Tuesday. On Wednesday, you'll be meeting with your period 4 teacher at 9 o'clock and your period 5 teacher at 10. On Thursday, as you can see, you'll be meeting with your period 6 teacher at 9 o'clock and your period 7 at 10 o'clock. Friday is reserved for makeups, mostly teacher and staff meetings and teacher professional development. So most likely you won't have a meeting on Friday unless it's to be arranged or for one of the clubs. The first thing you'll be doing for me on Monday is an activity that's going to prepare us for our Google Meet. And I called it Sweet and Sour and Inspire. So you're going to get a template that looks like this. It's blank. And I want you to remember to put your name on your slide. And you're going to put down something good that happened to you this week. In the last week, something not so good for sour that's on your mind for this week, and something to inspire us. And then we're going to be doing some sharing out when we have our Google Meet. Now, I also want to go over our weekly assignments. So, you guys, this will be posted on Monday. I have it scheduled to release at 6 a.m. on Monday. And make sure you're doing your weekly assignments. I'm trying to have everything, for the most part, in one place. You guys have experience in navigating the Google Classroom. I've used it all year. So make sure you follow directions, read the attached workbook pages, work on your daily assignments, and use the answer sheet to put your answers. Remember, you can use voice typing. Complete all parts of the assignment. If you get stuck on something, before you ask for help, make sure you go back and reread the paragraphs if you're stuck. Also, feel free to open a new tab and do a Google search. Watch all the YouTube videos that I post on the weekly learning. Make sure you play the quizzes game and also study the Quizlet flashcards. Make sure you attend our Google Meet, see our schedule. And so really every week you want to click on this document and it has all your assignments for every day. So on the top, you'll see our learning goals. And then as you can see on Monday, I put slideshow, add your slide for the weekly meet. It's due Monday because we're going to start using it Tuesday for my Google Meets. I'm trying to put the icons of the different things we'll be using so it's really easy. So this has a YouTube, a quizzes, Quizlet, and this shows that on those particular days I have meets. And then it lets you know which periods I'm meeting with and what times that I'm meeting with them. So make sure you go through everything. And like I said, very important that you watch the YouTube videos as well. I really try to use YouTube videos that are short, but it'll help you really to understand the concepts. Okay, and then I also included a PHET simulation called the Moving Man. So I've used these simulations before, and you remember what they look like. So you'll click on that. This is for 8th grade science. And then play around with the different variables and some of the different games on this. Now for 7th grade, it's the same exact directions. Make sure that you're using all the resources. You're using the YouTube videos and filling everything out. Now, you remember how to reach me. You can send me a private message or you can send me a direct email. So I look forward to seeing all of you this week.